aboa citizens nature aboa yankuni pantoka ha asiafo okro yankuni pantoka nobody kill human being to buy a car buy your chrome Ghana there you kill human being asiamu mabanya hye papa Muko find this imra. I'm telling you guys, I'm ready for you. Muko find this imra. Na muka nche send this in Abebo Ghana. All because of Kevin Taylor. All because of inclusive Frema, Jonas. Abua Jonas did the same. My friend saying, Chomama come there and see ya. Nesi wa ukada okroma. Me no na ma ukada da. Abua rekas eni pesue. Nipa nature citizens nature because say baby she pemu. Mo hwe den so abua. And this Ghana society in Katiadi and Maya Ghana. Can Japan Braba or Bina Serun Katiabo? Nibusam say Kennedy Abraba Wabo, a Bina Serun Katia, Mama itself, Mama Mos Abra Bonibi. A Braba Kennedy upon a Moyan San Wabono. And Fasua Ghana in your funeral, Mama and Yasa for Son funeral. One man president and Cadian Wire. If you are bad president, Muko Krum. Muko Krum. Hey, mama me cancer mo na ye no ye nta obi a because say mo ma chimiama Ghana phone bi chimiama mo ya me ata obi. I'm telling you guys mo ya me ata obi because say mo chimi me say mo hwe ka sia ka we mo hu a MP na mo twa na mo di Ghana ska we citizens nature kwase obi ani miri obi okrom a mo hwe ka sia ko se ka da bi betwem a mo hwe ka sia twem ha that's why Africa abua Mama Africa bini ni papa pamfa Japan na mudi chimi jimo social media so ena Frema ena Jonas ena Kevin Taylor abua bi tuwe di abrabo na wabo kwase papa yo hene mum yankwohwe abua sese Kevin Taylor di abrabo na wo papa abo wo papa de na wo ye baby o ye hene mu twa kro no nkyereme twakere Ghana for se wo papa yo hene wono so nyansem se na otimi ye kro no ni ewu sa wo no wo papa busia mu adwene abua furu mo ka se adeda wo hu. Let me tell you guys, we are not stupid. We are not stupid. Siafona mo chire Ghana for say me see here from our Ghana mo chimi sa to the say mo nya dwene mo di nkwasiafo chi eto nkwasiaba man nkwasiafo eto nkwasiaba man nkwasiapati e man nkwasiapati di Ghana so enti etu kwa akra na nkwasiafo ni tu kwan ya mo hu Ghana so fa so o mo so bi change Ghana abu akwan ya hu. You know how many years for this road? Mo kwanwe how many years? Cause ya Ghana pavement na ku father bank kamu pavement ke hu Ghana.
I'll read it. The world is not in good shape. The world is sick. The global economy is sick. And you Ghana nko enti ba umiambo ye te said ye Captain Smart air cano. No. IMF about Ababeka, and you can go and check on IMF official website. Since 1930, the Great Depression nearby, an economic shrinking to say 2020, 4.4%. And this is what get your facts right. IMF now, they came out and say we are seeing the global economy shrunk 4.4%. It means that since 1930, during the Great Depression. And open economy, US economy now, it is shrinking by only 4.4%. And also no seven previous you see, sometimes we become so cheap on social media. Now each time you speak about fix the country now, they think about so there's nothing good in whatever you are doing. And this is who I get to heavy. School under trees, me pese me bisa say nti NDC fixing ni na and MPP ba obabu ni na so I just want to understand fix sir school under trees na ye ka no NDC for see schools ni na awie but MPP ba no obabu ni na propaganda kese. Now let me tell you Adeba Kwame ya ma rehopa. I will never speak long and me message ni na very simple diama MPP communicators. Mr. Boabia Samuel Dano. Mr. Boabia Samuel, wake up. You and your communicators, you have been too weak for these NDC people. Such gentility, no. Munta mufan to work because you always have to fight fire with fire. Edu baby a munkasa. Speak. Na moya duma. Na nado in 5 years wa ye duma. Kacha duma na ya. Good evening. Na nado ye duma. Speak. Bema beye bi o meye ni na. John Dramani Bahama beye bi o mo bo hu dawura. Yes. Na nado so ye aduma. Mama na nado why akola ketewa bi say de onye hwe kura wo Ghana because your job as a communicator and they say ube amanfo ehu enyomo papa aban ne ye untimi mo wo ban na chidie but papa na wa ye ne de just say it mama mfa NDC fo mfa you can say scandal tantan bia no de be break ya papa bia ya ye scandal tantan bia ye raising sagleme pe and I mean who says some Jefia start radio by radio trying to defend Collins Dowda. Them who said no, MP before be ampa MP before ye din e must make fit control defend papa na magana for G2 na be do adjuma me anu so MP before ye din news for and who say can say futu MP nana Mamasia who called you na me who say NDC was in power for almost 12 years and he's only been there for 5 years and he's doing better than 12 years. Me see, Afenyo Markins, no me to a new file say, oh, defend the papa no. I am not saying said the admamenu ye, you know, and yet we boom rassle. But must he be sad? You're calling, Mama, I had too much. Somebody misappropriated $200 million. Ghana for someone you sagleme. The amount that Collins Dowda and then the Kohut, you know. SNE $200 million and yet $35 million so $200 million to build 5,000 housing units. A we are seeing no to see 1,003 plus. You raise the issue now and as a medium fee and then the commandos no start here here and there. Now the news in Ghana on every platform, a health minister, Manu, what tantro, and I say no this. The man said, "Wajia tunso a mistake." Na no pass no, but you refund this cano, and I respect the man for that. The money has been refunded. Sagana Mesika never him. The money paid to that contractor. Now see a 260 something million, a 140 something million. Where is the money? You see, prudent stealing and mismanaged stealing. Say before yes Ghana, say they more Ghana. They do it in a way Ghana for benefit. But NDC for the Ghana almost cry Captain Smart, Kwame Frifa, Avram are doing propaganda because of their selfish interests. Cho Balua. Yeah, I know. But I'm for Mon share broadcast way. Nen konkotu MPP communicators say. Omonum na efuno. Omundo. Momo mundai in your mapapa na ekufu adwa na emma. Kusibuafu abronye any honorable Japan kwa. These three people they only cannot do it. And before I go, I'm trying to tell you very simple. Say social media na MPP for mobility no. And no na sabi kwasi afo bi start ya a tonko 14. Ekufu adwa pride. People believed it. Can of Foriata Afa Ghana 50 billion. Na Ghana is sick na yesing. Intro. Kind of what intro did too much. And some people, university graduate, master's degree holders, so gullible. Ghana is sick na yesing. And the people are quoting me at 50 billion. Na sami gemfi a propagatis and true way am Ghana for matoma and 6 million people voted for John Dramani Mahama. Munim say and yes, we crowns 500,000 students no we free citizens at that time no. Now do me and you 150,000 po.